Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. Today in this video, I'll show you how to change Outlook username on iPhone. But as always, before you continue this video, I hope you like, comment, and subscribe to support this channel. And don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. First thing first, I'm gonna open my Safari to go to the Outlook web. I'm gonna search it in the URL search bar here. I'm gonna type Outlook and just go ahead to the first option. After that, in this page, you have to tap on the account icon at the top left here. Now tap on the settings button, which is the gear button. Go ahead to account at the general section and go ahead to view account. And yeah, here you will see your full name. My full name is Arias Luke. To change it, just tap on edit name option next to my name. Now I'm gonna change it to Arya Teach. And after that, in the last column, you have to enter the character you see here. When it's done, tap on the save button. You just have to wait for a minute. And yeah, as you can see now, my name is already changed. So guys, I think it's enough, just it. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this video will help you. Don't forget to leave your comment in the column below. I'll see you soon in the next one and good luck.